धर्म है, जहां लोभ तहां पाप, जहां क्रोध तहां नाश है, जहां क्षमा वहां आप. Forgiveness is the other name of non-violence, which shows the right path of live and let live to one and all. Good morning, Mumbai. Today, I, Dhairya Jain, stand before you to enlighten the topic. To forgive and forget is always better. This is the first step on the path of liberation. It is an act of faith and humanity. No one is perfect on the earth. Every creature does commit mistakes. But there exists a superpower which forgives them, which gives them another chance to start their life moving on the right path. वैसे तो जीवन जीने के लिए हर कोई जिया करते हैं, पर धन्य है उनका जीवन जो समझ कर जिया करते हैं, जो समझ कर जिया करते हैं. Forgiveness and love are the sole natural properties, while anger and bitterness do not live longer. After some time, they get vanished. But when anger comes, it acts as a volcano. So leave your anger. To forgive and forget is always better. Anger is like a poison. Forgiveness adds glory to the brave. It is rightly said, Shama Veeras Bhushanam. To forgive and forget should be life's motto. कल तक तो जो ते साथ पहचान वाले आज क्यों अनजान हो गए. रिश्तों में दुश्मनी के डंक लग गए कैसे. Often we hurt others' feelings, but sometimes we take years to say sorry. We must all realize that this world is the only place where all of us have to live. There is no other world where we can run away. So adopt the policy of live and let live. This is what great men like Lord Mahavira and Guru Nanak taught us. God is the one creator of the universe. He has created all kinds of creatures. All of them are supposed to live in peace and harmony. Man is the only civilized creature. At least he should follow the policy of universal peace, love, and brotherhood. The policy of live and let live is a dire need of the time. I don't forgive because I'm weak. I forgive because I'm strong. खामेमी सव्व जीवे, सव्वे जीवा खमंतु में, मित्ति में सव्व भुएसु, वैरम मज्जन के नहीं. I grant forgiveness to all living beings. May all living beings grant me forgiveness. My friendship is with all living beings. My enmity is non-existent. बोल सको तो मीठा बोलो, कटु बोलना मत सीखो. जला सको तो दीप जलाओ, दिल जलाना मत सीखो. लगा सको तो बाग लगाओ, आग लगाना मत सीखो. हंसा सको तो सबको हंसाओ, किसी पे हंसना मत सीखो. In the end, I would like to say that forgiveness is not always easy to execute. Ego is the major hurdle that comes in the way of love. Ego is the root cause of trouble. So let the ego go. It is the gift that you can give yourself. If you continue to hold the hurt, the anger, the hate, you only hurt yourself. Change your attitude and you change your whole outlook. Life is not just as you take it, but life is as you make it. live and let live. Be friendly to all. To culminate, I would like to recite a short poem. क्यों फासले हैं आज, गुनाहगार हो गए, और दुश्मनी के हम भी तरफदार हो गए. आ जिंदगी की इस डूबती कश्ती को बचा ले, वीरान जिंदगी में फिर से फूल खिला ले. महावीर का ये फरमान, महावीर का ये फरमान, इसे मान लीजिए. देकर क्षमा का दान क्षमा मांग लीजिए. देकर क्षमा का दान क्षमा मांग लीजिए. थैंक यू.
हेलो हेलो. पूरी बोलते हैं ना, चाशनी का घोल है. और जब अपने मारवाड़ी बच्चे इतनी अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलते हैं ना, तो पेरेंट्स को प्राउड फील होता है कि अपना कॉन्वेंट रा पिया वसूल वही क्या. इजंट इट? बहुत अच्छा धैर्य. ओवर टू जजेस.
ये स्पीच किसने लिखा है?
My mother gave me some guidelines in Hindi and I searched it on net, and then I mixed it up all together and finally I translated it in English and made a speech.
ठीक है. अगर मम्मी ने भी लिखा है तो आपने जिस तरीके से, जिस सलीके से कहा है, सुपर्ब.
Thank you, sir.
वेरी गुड.
Thank you, sir.